Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to add a bank account in Upwork. Alright, let's begin. First of all, open any type of preferred browser and search for upwork.com. After that, sign into your account and you will be redirected to the home page. Here, click on your profile icon at the top right corner and a drop-down menu will open up. You just need to select Account Settings and your overall settings page will appear in front of you. Now, access the Get Paid feature from the left side menu. This section will display all of your payment methods. To add a new bank account, click on the Add button. A pop-up list will appear where you need to select Local Bank. After that, it will ask you to enter the bank SWIFT code. Make sure you have this information ready. Once you enter the SWIFT code, follow the on-screen instructions to complete the process. This may include entering additional bank details as required. So that's basically how you can add a bank account in Upwork. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.